Vice Chancellor, chemist. So others answer. Not done something. Morning again. Chemist. And we have.
I believe that we can get, for example, the right data so that we are able to make decisions based on data and on evidence, not emotions. These guys are coming to university in 2029 to you. You are preparing your human resource, your infrastructure, and other things. But the way it is structured, my suspicion is that in 2029, since the grade 10 are now 1.1, I anticipate that you are likely to admit 600,000 of those because of the pathways. What are you going to use to admit these students to university? Is it exceeding expectation or meeting expectation? If somebody meets expectation, what does that mean? It means they are qualified to go to the next stage, isn't it? And if 600,000 of them meet expectation, what will you use to say I cannot admit them to university?